I think the college experience itself does help settle people into Durham because you meet a group of people that are also in the same place that you are in that they're also new, they've not been to Durham before probably, and being in the same college, it kind of forces you to talk because you see everyone almost every day walking through town.
Durham is a collegiate system, and a college means that all students reunite together, and then because we stay really close to each other, it's like a close-knit community. We see my college friends every day.
College is the kind of accommodation where you live, but it's also one of the bodies of Durham University. So it's not just simply accommodation. It has its own motto, it has its own logo, it has its own badge, it has its own colours.
We have gym, we have common area, we have library in each college. So if it's too far for you to walk over to Bill Bryson, you can just pop down to the library in your college.
I'm living in Trevelyan College at the moment. It's one of the smallest college in the university, and it's nice and quiet. It's a catered college. You have food 3 meals a day, 7 days a week. Yeah, you don't have to cook for yourself. Never have to worry if you don't know how to cook. Living in college, and it's like you are part of Durham University. You have somewhere you belong.
The college environment and the friendship networks and the college's own support networks with the tutorial systems within the colleges offer students that extra level of support that you wouldn't get at most universities.